If you are looking to grow fuller, thicker, long hair, you need hydration, you need moisture, you need length retention. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join the family. Today we are making this leave-in conditioner. Is fully packed of all the hydration your hair needs to stop that hair breakage and start seeing the length that you are looking for. Without further ado, let's get this video started. So we are making an emulsified butter today, so it will have an oil phase and a water phase. For our oil phase, we are starting with cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is a very moisturizing alcohol that will help you retain moisture, improve texture, and combat common things like frizz and tangles on your hair. The next ingredient I am adding now is an emulsifier. The one I'm using today is BTMS 50. This ingredient helps you combine water-based and oil-based ingredients to help you form a very smooth product that glides over your skin or your hair. The next ingredient I am adding is oil. You can use any oil you use. I am using my own DIY oil for hair growth. You can use avocado oil or olive oil, and you can see a video on my channel on how I make this oil. The next ingredient is shea butter. Shea butter is actually a very great butter when it comes to hair loss prevention and moisturizing and strengthening your hair follicles. This is the key butter you want to go for. Now let's move on to our water phase. I am using 100% aloe vera gel. You can check out my previous video on how I made this aloe vera gel, and we are going to use this in combination with aloe vera juice to make our water phase. All the ingredients that I used today and all the measurements will be in the description box, so please refer to the description box when it comes to measurements and every single ingredient I use in today's video. Our water phase and oil phase are both ready, and it's time now to take it to a warm bath so we can let this completely dissolve naturally. So to my water phase, I decided to add some vegetable glycerin, and you can also use honey in the place of this product, and this would just help you retain that moisture into your hair. You want to keep both solutions in the hot bath at the same time because you want both to be at the same temperature. Once they all melted, I'm going to transfer this into another bowl where it will be easier for me to mix both of them together. So you will need to just pour your oil and your aloe vera into a bowl, and then you will need a hand blender to start emulsify this butter. You want to start immediately after you combine both solutions. You want to start mixing both of them together with your hand mixer, and you want to continue mixing this until it starts forming a little bit of a thickness to it. That way you know you have got into a point where this solution will no longer separate from each other. When it comes to the thickness of your cream, you can play with it a little bit. It comes to the volume of the water phase and the volume of the oil phase. If you want it to be more looser, then you want to increase your water phase. If you want it to be thicker, then you want to make your water phase smaller. As you can see, our cream is getting thicker. I now switch back to just my little spatula here, and I am going to continue mixing this cream until it has completely cooled down. You want to wait for your cream to completely cool down before you add your preservatives. The first one I'm using here is vitamin E oil, and this will preserve your oil content. The next one I'm adding here is my preservative, and you definitely need this because of our water content. The next one I'm using here is some peppermint oil, and this will add to the stimulation of flow to your scalp. Last but not least, I am adding some rosemary essential oil. Feel free to add any essential oil or fragrance of your liking when you are making your own cream. So when you're done adding your oils and your preservative, you want to give this a last mix. You want to make sure it's well combined together and your cream is pretty much ready to be used. If you want to grow natural, thick, fuller and longer hair, you do need hydration and moisture every single day. This cream can be used as a leave-in conditioner, where when you shampoo and condition your hair, you can use this on the wet hair. It can also be used as a daily moisturizing cream for your hair as well. You want to find yourself a nice container that has a lid to store your cream. You want to make sure you store this at a nice room temperature. If you are still here, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys being here. In this channel, I do DIY videos on hair and skin. Click on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification button as well so you do not miss any video from me. Please go ahead and share, like, and leave me comments if you have any question. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable to you. It really helps, and your support goes a long way when it comes to me continuing doing these type of videos for you. Just look how beautiful this cream looks, guys. It's amazing and it will give you amazing results. Go ahead and give this a try. It's very easy to make actually, and as much as this is made for your hair, it can also be used on your skin. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy it just melts on your skin, and this is the way it will also melt on your hair. It leaves your skin very soft and moisturized. It does not leave any type of white residue on your hair or skin. It is completely invisible. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and leave me comments if you have any question. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.